allowed to stand. 150,000 children throughout the state of Illinois will lose their child care. 150,000 children will lose their state-subsidized child care. In Representative Pritchard's district, there are 1,243 children who receive help with child care so their parents can work, so their parents can go to school and become self-sufficient. 1,069 of those children will lose their child care. We have asked children throughout the county to draw a self-portrait. If you would all hold your self-portraits up right now, every self-portrait in this crowd represents 4 children who will lose their child care if this budget is allowed to stand. Cutting subsidized child care makes absolutely no sense. What it will do is, it will be a loss to the state's tax base because many of the families that are using child care will not be able to afford to continue to work. It will also mean to the district, to the 70th district, Bob's district, Representative Pritchard's district, it will mean $3.2 million lost to child care providers who care for those children that will lose their child care. And what do you think is going to happen to the parents who don't have child care? They're going to have to rely on public aid. They're going to go onto welfare. It's a triple loss. It's a loss to the state of Illinois if these budget cuts are allowed to stand. Not good for economic development in the state of Illinois. What I do want you to know is Representative Pritchard has been our friend. He has not only helped us to move into a higher cost area for state-subsidized children, to bring more money into the child care program, he has also helped us to obtain several grants that have helped to enhance technology in child care programs and have helped in other ways. So I want to be clear, and he's here today to hear our concerns. That's most important. Representative Pritchard, our concern is that it appears that the multi-billion hole that the state has dug itself in cannot simply be balanced. The budget can't be balanced by just saying tighten your belts anymore. The people in this audience know about tightening our belts. Nobody tightens their belts better than child care programs. They have been tightening their belts all their lives. They define tightening their belts. They get that. And they're all willing to tighten their belts. So, but tightening their belts isn't going to get it. What it looks like to us is that we need a tax increase in the state of Illinois. Many of you know the state of Illinois is one of the lowest in percentages for state income tax. The only way we're going to even begin to get out of this budget hole is to pass a state income tax. An additional state income tax. The legislature has unfinished work, and we know you're going back and that the budget will be worked on. When children don't do their homework, they get an F. I'm here to tell you that I feel the state legislature gets an F- this year. They balanced the budget on the backs of people like all of you that are here today. They left without doing their work. We're hearing it's Madigan's fault, it's Tom Cross's fault, the Republican leader. It's the Republicans' fault. It's the Democrats' fault. I don't think any of us care to hear that. What we want to hear is that we have a champion in Springfield that will go back and vote for whatever revenue enhancements you need to, so that programs like early care and education and other human services can continue to receive the lifelines that we've received over the years. It's a tough time for everyone. It's a tough time for all of us here, for everyone that's in this city, in this county, in this state. And in tough times, we need strong leaders. And we're hoping that they'll be that strong leader for children and families.